Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Nathan in South Carolina on this old school Galaxie DX44V. Nathan, we got the receive fixed on it, a ton of cold solder joints, had one bad inductor can, replaced the LED light in your meter, it was out, meter was also stuck, we loosened that up for you and got it back performing. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Got this thing ready to go, tuned alignment, voltage regulator upgrade to keep things cool for you, electrolytic cap upgrade. So let's just get right to it. Single final radio, RF power all the way down, 25 watt slug. There's a half a watt all the way down, 5 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 13.5 bird. 50 watt slug PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. 35 PEP. Pretty good for an old single final radio. Alright Nathan, we'll get this out to you, bud. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.